Hey guys, FoxCuber here. Today, we will be taking a quick look on the GAN's flagship 3x3, the GAN 356A SM. The GAN 356SM was released in mid-September last year. It is the newest adaptation of the GAN 356A UM. However, the GAN 356A SM features a lot more. First, this cube holds the current world record single of 4.22 seconds and the current world record average of 5.8 seconds by Felix Zemdex. The SM weighs 2.7 ounces or 75 grams, which is a relatively light cube, and also measures 56 mm. This puzzle also features nice full bright Oracle sticker shades, which has better contrast compared to other 3x3 in the market. The GAN's SM core is the newest upgraded iron plastic GAN's core version 4, which increases the stability of the cube. Also, the cube box is changed to a better version with a latch which allows easy storage of the cube. The SM includes extra full bright stickers, logos, 6 sets of GS nuts, GAN's VIP card, and a C4 pamphlet. The GAN 356A SM features blue GS nuts pre-installed. The corner cutting of this cube is splendid. It corner cuts over 45 to 50 degrees and line-to-line reverse cuts. Out of the box, the turning of the cube was stable. It offers a blend between tactile feels and smooth. There was almost no lockups and catches during the turns. The SM's another feature includes the honeycomb design on the edges and corners. This allows the loops to be spread equally, resulting in longer lifespan of the loop. The GAN SM is available on JPEARLY around $38 or 155 ringgit Malaysia. Overall, the GAN SM is a solid cube. For those who are fast turning, this cube suits them well. The M slices, on the other hand, is better in it. The magnets are not overpowering as well. After playing with this cube a lot, I'm sure this 3x3 gonna be many people's main out there. I achieved consistent time with this cube. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe.